Welcome to the Explainer. Okay, let's dive right into this. Today, we're looking at a market reality that, well, it completely short-circuits basic economic assumptions. And it centers entirely on one thing: gold. You know, we usually rely on history and patterns in finance, right? But right now, this single asset is forcing us to totally rethink how buyers behave in extraordinary circumstances. We're going to break down this fascinating piece of market reality because honestly, it holds immense, far-reaching implications for anyone trying to understand the current financial climate.
When you're tracking global markets, there are certain milestones that they almost seem mythical until they suddenly become reality. And to be clear, we're not talking about some volatile tech stock here or a hyped-up crypto coin. No, we're looking at the oldest store of value in human history, the ultimate safe haven, and it's hitting a level that is currently defying financial gravity. It's the kind of threshold that really challenges what we previously thought was even possible.
$4,400. Just let the weight of that number sink in for a second. For anyone out there tracking gold, seeing it approach the mid-4,000s is a massive, massive shift. It's leaving seasoned observers completely stunned, literally speechless. I mean, it's a figure that commands immediate attention, and it's totally redefining the landscape for this ancient asset.
Now, normally, when an asset reaches an unprecedented peak like that, economic logic dictates a massive sell-off, right? The rational response is to secure those hard-earned gains and run for the hills. Take your profits. But what's happening right now, it completely shatters that expectation. Instead of retreating, market participants are creating this profound, frankly baffling conflict that we simply cannot ignore. Let's look at how this builds.
And this brilliantly illustrates the dynamic. On one hand, we have the stark reality of this staggering 4,400 peak, a summit that should theoretically scare off any new entry. Yet, in absolute defiance of conventional wisdom, investors are stubbornly refusing to stop. There's no retreating to wait for a dip here. They are pouring in with relentless momentum even as the price sits near this historical atmospheric high. So, the crucial point is, this flies directly in the face of basic supply and demand. You know the rule: when prices go way up, demand is supposed to cool down. Instead, we're left staring at this massive psychological puzzle. What driving force is strong enough to completely override the fundamental instinct to take profits? We have the data, we see the relentless action happening right in front of us, but the actual reasoning behind it, that remains an incredibly fascinating economic mystery.
Now, what's really interesting about this is how the entire paradox is perfectly captured in a single contradictory headline from our source material. Gold is near $4,400. Why are investors still buying it? It just lays bare the contradiction without trying to sugarcoat it at all. It gives you the undeniable price, followed immediately by the exact question literally every single analyst, trader, and casual observer is asking themselves right now.
So, to wrap our heads around this, we have the oldest safe haven in the world sitting at an all-time astronomical high. And we have a market of buyers who absolutely refuse to blink. The history books say they should be selling, but they're not. They're just not. The only question left to answer is, why?